Now let us see the next example number. It is 1.17. The function is f is from capital R to capital R. Capital R is called what? Real number. That is called real number. It is all elements in the set is called real number. It is called biggest set. It is capital R. Every number systems are in the capital R. Natural numbers are belongs to capital R. Whole numbers are belongs to capital R. Integers are belongs to capital R. Rational numbers are belongs to capital R. And relation also belongs to capital R. The biggest set defined by it is capital R. Real number to real number defined by f of x equal to 3x minus it is 5. Then find the value of a and b. Then given by it is a, what is that? A comma it is 4 and 1 comma b belongs to its function. So there are two ordered pair of its functions are given. Using this it is ordered pair and find out as value of it is a and b. The function value is when f of x is equal to 3x minus it is 5. Now what is given? F of it is x is equal to 3x minus 5. Then it is function, one of the ordered pairs are given, it is a comma it is 4, another number ordered pair are given 1 comma it is b. And using of these two ordered pair, find out value of it is a and b. So already we know the first elements are belongs to it is set it is a, second elements are belongs to b. That is called it is function values are it is called it is second element and x values are it is called first element. Now here it is taking first ordered pair a comma it is 4, that is called it is modified by x, f of it is x. And this ordered pair defined by a comma 4 defined by x is called in the set a, the answer is called is function value. Now let us consider it is x is equal to a, that implies f of it is x given function equal to 3x minus it is 5. Therefore function value is given it is what? It is called 4, that is equal to 4. The function value is given it is equal to what? 4. The function value is equal to 4. Function is called 3x minus 5. The instead of it is x, we want to replace it equal to what? A. Therefore 3 into a minus 5 is equal to 4. Therefore it is 3a minus 4 is equal to it is 4. Therefore 3a that is equal to 5 plus it is 4 and 3a that is equal to it is 9 and a that is equal to 9 by 3 that is equal to 3. It is called it is a value. And next comparing of another ordered pair x value equal to 1, answer is equal to b. It is called what? 1 comma it is b, that is equal to x comma function of it is x. That is called what? X value is equal to 1, function value equal to b. X is equal to 1, then function of it is x that is equal to b. What is function? 3x minus 5 that is equal to b. The function is called 3x minus 5. What is x value? 1. Replace x equal to 1. 3 into 1 minus 5 is equal to b. 3 minus 5 is equal to b. Therefore it is b equal to minus 2. b equal to minus 2. Therefore it is what? A equal to 3 and b equal to minus 2. By applying of given it is function, the ordered pair of it is a comma 4 and 1 comma b, and the function values is given 3x minus 1. We find out as it is a value equal to it is 3 and b value equal to minus 1. Okay, see the next it is example. In the exercise problem it is 1.4, question number is 10. The function it is from it is close to bracket of minus 5 comma 9. And that means it is 10, that is this it is interval. How the elements are it is what? Minus 5 is included, 9 is also included. Therefore function it is f it is from it is what? It is minus 5, minus 4 etc. up to it is 8 and it is 9. And that is tends to it is a capital R. Therefore the elements from it is minus 5 to 9 and that answers are belongs to it is capital R, it is called real number. So this function is given by f of x equal to 6x plus it is 1. This it is function value. What are the value of it x? Minus 5 less than or equal to x less than it is 5. In this it is interval only. We can take function value equal to 6x plus it is 1. So what are the it is interval we obtained here? It is minus 5 it is included. Minus 5 minus it is 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 and it is 1. 2 is not included. Therefore, in this interval, how the elements are minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So 2 is not included. This it is if you take x values are in the set elements in the set, the corresponding function value equal to 6x plus 1 is called function value. Similarly, it is x interval is called 2 less than or equal to it is x less than it is 6. Therefore, 2 is included and 6 is not included. Therefore, in this interval, how the elements are, it is 2, 2, 3, it is 4 and it is 5. 6 is not included. For this it is 4 elements, the function value is called 5x minus this 1. And next interval 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. For this it is interval, the elements are, it is 6 is included, 6, 7, 8, 9 also included, it is 9. So for this it is 4 element, the corresponding function value equal to 6x, 3x minus it is 4. So now using of this, it is corresponding value of it is function, corresponding value of it is x, corresponding function we can choose and find out as it is value of the expression. It is called, it is 2 into function value of 2 minus function value of 6 by function value of 4 plus function value of it is minus 2. So already we know. So for example, we can try first one. We want to find first it is function value of it is 2. That means what it is x value equal to 2. Then it is called, when it is put x value is equal to, what is the corresponding function value? The x's belongs to, it is second it is interval, the function value equal to 5x minus 1. Therefore it is the function value of it is x is equal to 5x square minus 1 and x is equal to 2. F of it is 2 is equal to 5 into 2 whole square minus 1 and it is equal to, it is 4 plus 1 it is called 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. Then we can find out as it is another this function value, this called f of it is 6. 6 is belongs to the which interval? Last one. It is called, it is function value equal to 3x minus 4 is called function value. Therefore, if you take it is when it is x is equal to 6, the function value f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. That is called last interval. Therefore, what do we want to put x value 6? F of it is 6, that is equal to 3 into 6 minus 4, that is equal to 18 minus 4, that is equal to 14. Now come to the next case, find out as it is denominator f of it is 4. 4 in the which interval? Second it is interval, it is 2, 4, it is 5. Therefore 4 in the belongs to this interval. The corresponding function value equal to 5x square minus it is 1. 5x square minus it is 1. Right now. Therefore it is when it is taking off it is x is equal to 4. The function value is equal to second one it is 5 it is x square minus it is 1. Therefore f of it is 4. It is equal to 5 into 4 square minus 1. It is equal to 4. 5 into it is 16 minus 1. It is equal to multiply value. It is 30 and 1 it is 80. 80 minus 1 is equal to 79. That is function value of it is 4. Then we can find out next it is what it is f of 2. F of it is minus 2. Minus 1 in the which interval? First one. So first one function value equal to what? 6x plus this 1. Therefore we can take it is when it is x is equal to it is minus 2. The function value is equal to, it is function value equal to 6x plus this 1. What is x value? Minus 2. Put x value f of it is minus 2. It is equal to 6 minus 2 plus it is 1. Minus 12 plus it is 1 is equal to minus 11. So now we have obtained all the function value. What we want to find? It is 2 into f of it is 2 minus it is f of it is 6 by it is f of it is 4 plus it is f of it is minus 2. Just substitute the function value 2 into f of 2. That is first one. F of 2 function value equal to what? 19 minus f of 6. F of function value equal to what? It is 14. Then by it is f of 4. F of function value equal to 70. It is 9. 79. Then it is f of it is minus 2 function value equal to plus it is between the plus minus it is 11. And it is equal to multiply it is 38 plus 14 by it is 70, 79 minus 11. It is equal to separated term it is called 20, it is 20, it is 4. By it is separated term it is 16, 60 it is 8. The separated term it is 4 and the separated term it is 224. Here it is 8 remain 1. Cancel the term, it is 2 table, it is 1 and 2. It is 3 and it is 4. Again it is possible to cancel by 2. It is 6, it is cancelled, it is 17. Therefore it is 6 by it is 17. It is answer for the question. Okay, now see here it is in the exercise problem 1.4 in the exercise problem 1.4 as like the book there is a given expression it is 2 into we have considered as minus it is 2. If you it is find this one, we have find the answer, some other answer. But we make it a created question, just we can write as it is plus 2 and with one of it is created. You consider one of created. If you have any other number in the place, instead of it is minus 2, we can put plus 2 here. If in the place of it is plus 2, we can write as 9. So therefore it is one of it is created question. So saying this method of it is question. Now we can ask this created question, just change the number. It is instead of it is 2 minus 1 and plus 2 and 6 as it is 9. We can also any one of the number. They convert as it is one expression. They ask as a created question. Okay, now let us see the next this topic. It is Cartesian, it is product or it is cross product. And let us consider it is set A elements are defined by it is 1, it is 2. Then set B elements are defined by it is 3, it is 4. Now using of it is the Cartesian product or it is cross product to find out as it is A cross it is B. It is called A cross B is called it is Cartesian product of A and B. That is what is set A is called 1, 2. Cross it is set B is called 3, it is 4. Now find out as it is A cross B. That means take a zero diagram, it is A and another is set is called B. Function it is A to B, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now write as it is Cartesian product 1, 3, 1, 4. So write as it is ordered pair is called 1, 3. Then it is 1, it is 4. Then 2, it is 3. Then 2, 4. 2, 3. Then 2, it is 4. It is called it is cross product of A cross B A cross B. A cross B. That is called it is find out as it is ordered pair. The first element from it is first one, second element from second one, 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 3, then 2, 4. And this called it is Cartesian product of A cross is B. And now it is what? It is number of elements of it is A equal it is 2, it is N of it is A, that is equal to 2, the number of element B, it is N of it is B, that is equal to 2. Therefore N of it is A cross it is B, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ordered pair, therefore N of A cross B equal to 4. So N of A equal to N of B equal to, so product of it is N of A into B. Supposed to be it is unknown number, it is N of it is A, defined by it is P, N of it is B, defined by it is Q. Therefore N of it is A cross it is B, defined by it is P into Q. This is general formula. Therefore the product of it is N of A into N of B, that is equal to 4. Or write as N of it is A cross B, that is equal to N of it is A into N of it is B, that is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So find out as it is Cartesian product. That is what you have whenever Cartesian product. Let us see the same kind of it is sum in the textbook. Exercise example number 1.1. Let us consider A elements are it is 1, 3, 5. B elements are 2 and 3. Find it is A cross B and it is B cross it is A. And if it is A cross B is equal to B cross A, and show that it is N of A cross B is equal to N of B cross A, that is equal to N of it is A into N of B. Now just we can find out as first it is A cross it is B. What is A cross B? A cross B is equal to A set is called 1, 3, it is 5. Cross it is B set is called it is 2, 3. Now let us find out ordered pair is called what? First element 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2 and 1, it is 3. Then 2, 3, 1 and 3, 3, it is 3, 2 and it is 3, it is 3. Then 5, 2 and 5, 3, 5, it is 2 and it is 5, it is 3. It is called it is A cross it is B. Find out as B cross it is A. It is equal to what? It is B. The set is called it is 2, 3 is called B cross it is A is called 1, 3, it is 5. Now find out it is cross product 2, it is 1. So write as it is ordered 2, it is 1. Then 2, it is 3. 2, it is 3. Then 2, it is 5. Then it is 2, it is 5. Then 3, it is 1. 3, it is 1. Then it is 3, 3. 3, it is 3. Then 3, 5. It is 3, it is 5. Now it is look at it is answers. It is this ordered class are different from this ordered pair. It is 1, 2. For example, we plot it is a point is 1, it is 2. So 1, 2 is this is a point is 1, it is 2. If you calculate a point in the cross B cross A, 2 comma 1, so it is 2. So 2 comma it is 1. Therefore it is, this point is called 2 comma 1. Therefore 1 comma 2 different from it is 2 comma 1. Therefore this 2 it is ordered class of A cross B and B cross B, both are it is different one. Therefore we can say that A cross it is B is not equal to B cross it is A. Understand? Then it is what? Find out first it is A cross B, first one, and B cross A, second one. That both are it is not equal. We want to say it is not equal. Then we want to show that it is n of it is A cross B. What n of A cross B? How many elements are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. N of it is B cross it is A, and that is equal to, again it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore it is 6 elements. Then it is find out as it is what? N of it is A cross B, and that is equal to n of it is B cross B, both are equal. Then we can say another it is one more, it is 1, n of A into n of B. What is n of A? If it is n of it is A, it is equal to it is 3. N of it is B, that is equal to 2. Therefore n of it is A into it is n of it is B, that is equal to 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Therefore n of it is n of A into n of B equal to 6. N of A cross B equal to 6, n of B cross A equal to 6. Therefore all n of A cross B, n of it is B cross A, and n of A into n of B all are equal to 6. Therefore all the three statements are it is equal. Next example, in the exercise, example number it is 1.7. Example number it is 1.7. Let us consider it is exercise problem. Exercise problem it is 1.1, and question number it is 7. 7 second sum. Exercise problem 1.1 7 second sum. Let us A have the element set of all it is all natural number, and less than of it is 8. Then B set of all it is prime number, less than it is 8. Set of all it is even numbers. Even numbers from this it is set it is less than it is 8, and verify it is A cross of it is B cross C equal to A cross B minus it is A cross C. And first of all we find out as it is set A, B, and it is C. So now it is set A. What is set A? Set A containing elements are set of all the natural number less than it is 8. Less than it is 8. Therefore what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is called less than of it is 8 natural number. And set B have elements are, what are elements? Set of all it is, or it is prime number less than it is 8. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. It is called prime number less than of it is 8. Then set C containing of it is set of all it is even number, even prime. Set of all even prime. What is even prime? Only one number, it is called it is 2. Set of all it is even prime. That means it is the even numbers are defined by 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. It is only one even number. That number is called it is 2. Even prime number is called 2. And using of this 3 set A, B, C, we want to verify the statement A into B minus C, that is equal to A cross B minus it is A cross C. Now first come to it is left hand side equation. Left hand side equation that is equal to A cross of it is B minus C. First find out within the bracket B minus C, that is equal to B. What will be? 2, 3, 5, 7 is called B, minus C is called it is 2. Now comparing of the two set, and which is common? 2. 2 is common, that cancel. In the first set it is B. Write as remaining elements of it is B equal to 3, 5, 7. It is called it is what? It is B minus it is C. Now find out the full of the left hand side equation. A cross of it is B minus C, that is equal to A elements are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is called A. Cross it is B cross C is called 3, 5, 7. Now just find out as it is cross product 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, it is 7. Then it is 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Similarly we can write this all elements of it is element is called A cross of B cross C. And similarly we find out as element is called it is A cross it is B, then it is A cross C, and find the difference. Finally we get both it is left hand side, right hand side are it is equal. Okay. Let us see the another important one. Example it is 1.11, and A set, B sets are given. We have function value is also given. A2 it is B. The function is given by the f of x equal to 3x minus 1. The represent this function set of all ordered pair and graph. So now what is given in this function? It is f of it is x that is equal to 3x minus 1. Now we know it is x value from it is a. Therefore the first one it is from it is x that is equal to put 1 that is equal to f of it is 1 that is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1 that is equal to 3 minus 1 that is equal to 2. Then put x that is equal to 2, that implies it is f of it is 2 that is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 that is equal to 6 minus 1 that is equal to 5. Then put x that is equal to 3, that implies it is f of it is 3 that is equal to 3 minus 1 that is equal to 9 minus 1 that is equal to it is 8. Then get x that is equal to 4, that implies it is f of it is 4 that is equal to 3 into 4 minus 1 that is equal to 12 minus 1 that is equal to 11. So now first it is function value, and first we want to represent in the arrow diagram. So what is arrow diagram? The set A and another it is called it is set it is B, function it is into B, and A is called it is domain elements are defined by A set 1, 2 it is 3, 4, and B is called elements are it is 2, 5, 8, 11 and it is 14. Now from this it is the function value 1 is x value, the corresponding function value equal to 2. 1 it is mapping with 2. Then x value equal to 2, the function value equal to 5. And x value equal to 2, function value equal to 5. Then x value equal to 3, function value equal to 8. X value 3, function value equal to 8. Then x value equal to 4, function value equal to 11. X value equal to 4, function value equal to 11. Therefore it is called it is arrow diagram. And next we want to represent the tabular form. Now let us consider tabular form. Take it is a tabular form. It is first it is column it is x, second column defined by it is second it is one row defined by f of it is x. X value, function value of x. What are the x values are called 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it is x value equal to 1, that the answer equal to 2. Then x value equal to 2, answer equal to it is 5. And x value equal to 3, answer that is equal to it is 8. X value equal to 4, answer that is equal to 11. And that is called it is second one, represent the tabular form. And third one, represent in the what? It is a set builder form. Then f it is such that the set builder form is called ordered pair. Ordered pair, set of all ordered pair is called 1, 2, 1, it is 2. Then 2, 5, 2, it is 5. Then it is 3, it is 8. Then 4, it is 11. And it is called set of all ordered pair. First element of the ordered pair from x, and second element from it is f of it is x. So it is called what? X, it is y. And such that x belongs to it is a, y belongs to it is b. So x elements are belongs to it is a, and y elements are belongs to it is b. It is called it is a function. In represent the it is set of all it is a ordered pair. Now last one we want to it is represent the graph. So last one we can represent the graph. And take it is the x-axis and y-axis. X and it is y. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next it is called it is 1. Now what are elements are it is in the codomain 2, 5, 8, 11 and it is 14. So 1, it is 2. Ordered pair is called 1, 2. 1, 2. And this is the point it is 1, it is 2. 2, it is 5. 2, it is 5. 2, it is 5. Therefore it is 2, it is 5. Then 3, 8. Then 3, it is 8. Therefore it is what? 3, it is 8. 3, it is 8. Then 4, 11. 4, 11. 4, it is 11. Therefore this point is called it is 4, 11. And this is called it is represent of it is graph. The given function represent the graph. Last one it is number remaining is called 14. Now see, from this it is arrow diagram. From the arrow diagram we identify what type of function. It is in this question they are asking about it is arrow diagram, table, set of all ordered pair, graph only. So we know we have proved that it is arrow diagram and tabular form, set of all ordered pair and graph. That is completed answer. From the it is arrow diagram, what type of function it is. So now see that it is answer. The domain or it is different elements have it is different image in the codomain. Different element of it is a domain have different image in the codomain. but this one of the elements are remaining, in the codomain, and it is called into function. Therefore, the function is defined by it is one-to-one relation, and function is what? Range. Range is defined by what? Answers are called 2, 2, 5, 8, 11 is called it is a range. And codomain defined by it is what? And set B elements are it is codomain 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 is called it is codomain. Now compare that it is 14 not in the range. Therefore range is not equal to it is codomain. Therefore the function is say that it is into it is function. Into function. Therefore one-to-one relation and this into. Therefore function it is say that it is one-to-one. It is into function. So already we know how to find out as it is the functions, and using this it is what we are asking a one more it is created question. After completion say that it is what type of function one of the DB has created. So from this it is arrow diagram we can say that the function is called one-to-one into function. My dear student, in this critical situation our management and take a care about this students in his life, and this is the important situation for 10th standard student. The management decision to take it as a visual classes, and this most it is useful for you, and especially this video classes are it is most useful for the average and below average student. If you watching keep watching this visual classes, and you can achieve this it is at least it is 70 to 80 marks the students, and you can watch and use this video classes. And one more instruction, the most of the students are it is the answers are posted into the group itself, and that should be avoided because your answers are posted in the same group itself. We take it is 3 to 5. The answer sheets are posted in the group. It's difficult to type the answer sheets. If you posted to the corresponding subject sheets, they have it is corrected your answer sheet and reply to your incorrect, it is mistaken incorrect answers in your WhatsApp. So kindly avoid this. It is the posted same in this group, and everybody have to stay in home and save home, save our home, and save our district, and save our town, and save our country. And thank you to everyone.